but to update those claims that have been filed. There's essentially BP, despite their public pronouncements of all they're doing to help rebuild and recover from the spill, they have been fighting tooth and nail the settlement and the settlement procedures that have been going on. There's been a two-prong attack that BP is placed. One is on the administrator and the interpretation of the settlement, and the other has actually been on trying to get the settlement itself thrown out or renegotiated. Just recently, in fact, it was last week, the court came down and said that they were not going to throw out the settlement, that the settlement was indeed fair. This was a Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals opinion. They did split 2 for and 1 against, so it is possible that BP could appeal this to a higher court, to the United States Supreme Court. On the other side of the equation is the determination and the processing of the payments by the claims administrator and or the district court judge. Previously, BP had appealed to the Fifth Circuit. The Fifth Circuit remanded it back down to the trial court for some clarification regarding the interpretation of some of the settlement language. Most recently, the district court judge came back and said, I agree with the language, and BP is once again appealed that back to the Fifth Circuit. They did so on an expedited basis, and the Fifth Circuit of Appeals currently has it under advisement, and we're awaiting an order from them. What that means for your claim is that there's been an injunction placed on payment of these claims until such time as a judgment is issued one way or the other. For most people, that means that we're in the wait and see period.